Today is super exciting for the workshop. This is something that we've been planning and dreaming of for a long time. So what is the biggest problem in a workshop? Trolley jack and jack stands. Getting a car in the air always takes time, even if you're trying to do the smallest thing. So I made the business decision to invest in a 4-ton 2-post lift for the workshop, and this is going to make working on our cars and our projects a breeze. Wally, my mechanic, has been rolling around on this dirty floor trying to work underneath cars, and it takes him so much longer to do even the smallest jobs. It's going to be so much easier. Drive straight in from the door, roll into the spot, lift the car into the air, and we can do anything we want to. We'll be able to take you guys along the journey and show you underneath the car, and it's just going to be easier for everyone involved. Okay, it's the next day and the lift is installed. We waited overnight to let the chemical anchors cure, and now the first car on the lift will be my beloved 370Z. We've got a couple of bits and bobs that need to get taken care of. So Wally, let's get right to it. Let's get the car on the lift. Cool. The car's in the air. Let me show you what's going on. So as you can see, we have a puddle of fluid on the floor. We were on our way to install resonators on the car the other day, and then we realized that. So let me quickly show you what's happening. Cool. So, let me get this wheel off. I'm gonna have to turn the steering wheel to be able to show you where the problem is. So, if you look in here, you will see at the bottom of our shock, we have a big leak, and it seems to have popped over there. So that is where our leak is coming from. I've been meaning to install coilovers on the car. These are still the OEM shocks on it. We did have H&R lowering springs, but now's the time. So I ordered a set of coilovers BR series from Z1 Motorsports. It's on its way from the States, so it's going to take a couple of days to get here. But in the meantime, we're planning to pull out all the suspension and refresh all the bushings on the car so that we know everything is fresh. And with the order from Z1, I also got a set of rear toe arms so that we can delete the spring that is separate from the shock. So we're going for a true style coilover, which I'm very excited about, and the car's handling should improve substantially. So yeah, let's get the rest of the wheels off and let's start getting the suspension off the car so that we can have the bushings refreshed. Cool. So that's it for now. All the components have been stripped out. Now we can send these away to get refreshed, and then we have to wait for parts. So thanks for watching. If you made it to here, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.